السلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. This work is under the theme of stabilization of polyvalent soils with Portland cement. Cement soil treatment is well-known technique for improving the mechanical properties of granular soils in civil engineering, road construction, railway construction, and airport by adding a small amount of cement to the soil. Many studies show that cement treatment can significantly modify the physical and mechanical properties of polyvalent soils, such as increasing shear strength and modifying compaction properties. During the preparation of this work, we tried to take into consideration the choice of treatment used, the influence of treatment used on the soil studied, the ideal rate to improve the geotechnical characteristics of the sand. In this work, we are interested in the stabilization of the sand of Wadi Zhor Kolo Skikda by treatment with cement, and this technique opens the way to new application quite interesting. The first experimental part was devoted to sand identification tests. And the second experimental part aims to study the stabilization effect of Wadi Zhor sand by adding different rates of cement, 2, 4, 6, 10, and 12%. The conclusions drawn by the study are the following. The increase in the rate of cement to influence its compaction characteristics, the increase in the maximum dry density, and the reduction of the optimum water content. One of the consequences of this observation and the improvement of the compactness of the soil on which the work will be carried out. Secondly, the direct shear tests on the treated sand have clearly shown an increase in the shear stress at break and in the cohesion relative to the untreated sand. Better still, the envelope of mercury decreases in slope when the rate of cement is more important. It is a reduction in the angle of internal friction. In this context, we have managed throughout a series of tests on cement-treated sand samples to improve their physical and mechanical characteristics at 10% of cement. Finally, we can say that stabilization by adding cement is recommended to improve soil stabilization in our case studies. In this context, we have managed throughout a series of tests on cement-treated sand samples to improve their physical and mechanical characteristics at 10% cement. Finally, we can say that stabilization by adding cement is recommended to improve soil stabilization in our case study. and thanks for your attention.